Hey flower folks, welcome to Sheer Inspirations. In today's video we're going to be talking about harvesting and vase life tips on Dutch iris. Now this iris is not to be confused with the one that grows with rhizome, bearded iris. This is the one that grows from corms or bulbs that look like shallots. And right here, if we were to harvest this is going to last us about a total of 5 days. So I'm going to go ahead and go all the way down and cut. And this is about 12 to 18 inches worth of stem. Now, this right here is showing color. If I were to harvest it here, this is going to give me about 7 to 10 days pushing. Same thing right here. If they were a little bit more color, again, take a day or two off, but the sooner you harvest, the longer the vase life is going to be. Now, something else to keep in mind when harvesting these is you're going to want to leave the leaves. Get the tallest stem possible and leave the leaves at the bottom to dry down, and they do multiply, and this is a 1 flower per bulb type of item. So the more bulbs you put down, the more flowers you're going to have. Also, every year they do multiply, so you can then eventually divide. This is the tool that I use to cut. I love this in the garden. This is a bonsai shears. I will leave a link to where to purchase this. Go ahead and give this last one a cut as well. Something else that I wanted to mention here is these ship very well if you want to go ahead and ship them for Mother's Day. I will go ahead and make a video on that as well when it gets closer and I do have enough harvest to ship. But that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and it added value into your cut flower gardening, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.